Hello. Today I will be discussing a piece of visual equipment which is extremely useful to be included in any filmmaker's arsenal, as it is an extremely crucial component in producing high-quality, smooth, cinematic tracking shots. This piece of equipment seen before you now is a pipe dolly, and is only one example of the many ways to produce a beautiful, smooth tracking shot. In this short video, I will be discussing the initial setup of a pipe dolly, how to operate a pipe dolly correctly and efficiently, why tracking shots are important, and I will also be showcasing the difference in using a dolly for a tracking shot compared to not using one. Technically defined, a tracking shot occurs when a camera is mounted on a dolly and glides along tracks or pipes. The use of this shot allows the camera to move smoothly along a fixed path at a decided speed with controlled motion and without shakiness. Tracking is used for a variety of situations. It can create emotion, dramatical flair, but also allows the viewer to study all aspects of a scene, and is an especially useful tool in moving close-ups. A pipe dolly is made up of two components. These are two identical lengths of PVC pipe and a wheeled platform base that rolls and fits smoothly onto the piping. The tedious section of setting up a dolly track is more to do with planning than actually putting it all together. Prior to the physical setup of putting your dolly together, you have to be aware of the subject you wish to film, the proximity it is from the dolly, and also the lighting area around the dolly. Once you know all of these factors and how they'll affect your dolly setup, you're ready to start the initial setup. Setting up a pipe dolly is an extremely simple process. Simply take notice of your surroundings and then lay down the two pipes parallel to one another and distance apart from one another the width of the rolling platform's wheelbase. As you can see, the movement left and right, or back and forth, depending on the direction you position your camera upon the dolly, is very smooth and fluid in motion. This fluidity will translate onto screen with amazingly smooth, beautiful tracking shots that will ultimately boost the product quality of any film. In case you're not sold that the use of a dolly is necessary for beautiful and smooth cinematic quality tracking shots, here are two attempts at tracking shots. One is handheld, and the other utilizes a pipe dolly. I think the differences truly speak for themselves.